Hey there. Have you ever dreamed of a career where every day brings new opportunities and your success is only limited by your ambition? Well, if you're considering a career in real estate, there's no better place to be right now than Jamaica. The real estate sector in Jamaica has been booming like never before. Just a few years ago, the Real Estate Training Institute, or RETI, was training around 500 to 600 aspiring agents each year. Fast forward to today, and those numbers have jumped to about 700 to 750 annually. More people are taking the plunge into real estate, not just as salesmen, but moving up to become dealers. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. The market is growing and becoming more complex. Companies are expanding, adding more branches, and they need qualified directors to manage these growing teams. And guess what? About 70% of the professionals in this thriving sector are locals. The interest isn't slowing down either. In fact, the market is projected to hit a whopping $93.95 billion in 2024, with residential real estate making up the lion's share. Becoming a real estate agent in Jamaica is not just a career move. It's a step towards a future filled with potential. But how do you get started? Let me break it down for you. First, you need to be at least 18 years old. Then, securing a practicing salesman's license is your fundamental step. This license allows you to legally engage in real estate transactions within Jamaica. Next, you'll need to pass the Jamaican land law exam. This isn't just a formality. It's crucial to understanding the legal landscape you'll be working in. Then, you need to complete part of the pre-licensing salesman's course, usually around 20 hours of the total 108-hour program. This course equips you with the essential knowledge and skills you'll need. Don't forget to register on the Real Estate Board's website at least 2 days before your classes start. You'll also undergo an interview to assess your suitability as an agent. After meeting all these requirements, you'll receive your identification card, marking you as a licensed real estate agent. But there's more. To truly thrive, you'll want to join a brokerage and possibly the Realtors Association of Jamaica, or RAJ. You need a valid salesman's license and an attachment to a qualified realtor registered trademark who is already an RAJ member. Fill out the membership application form accurately and submit any required documents. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can embark on a rewarding career as a licensed real estate agent in Jamaica. The market is ripe with opportunities, and the sky is truly the limit. So if you're ready to take control of your future and dive into the exciting world of real estate, now is the time. Jamaica's real estate sector is not just growing, it's soaring. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of real estate. Until next time, keep dreaming big.